Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Connecting your Facebook page to your Instagram professional account and integrating WhatsApp is a foundational step for modern business presence on Meta's platforms, enabling cross-posting, unified messaging, and enhanced advertising. Now let's start with the first phase, which is preparing your accounts. Before initiating the connection, ensure your accounts are in the proper configuration. Firstly, your Instagram account must be a professional account, either a business or creator type. Personal Instagram profiles cannot be fully linked for business tools. If you are on a personal account, in here, just navigate to your Instagram settings. Then select account. And now choose switch to professional account, following the prompts to select the category that best describes your business. Secondly, you must have an active Facebook business page, not just a personal Facebook profile, and the personal profile you are using to perform the link must have admin or full control access on that Facebook page. Mismatched account types or incorrect permissions are the most frequent causes of a failed link. Now let's get to the second phase, which is now connecting the Facebook page to Instagram. The most straightforward and recommended way to create the connection is to initiate the process from the Instagram mobile app. On your Instagram professional profile, tap Edit Profile. Under the Public Business Information section, look for and tap on the Page option. A pop-up will ask you to connect to a Facebook page or create a new one. Select Connect an existing page and choose the correct Facebook page from the list provided. You should be prompted to log into Facebook to confirm your access. Once successfully connected, the name of your Facebook page will appear in the page section of your Instagram profile settings, confirming the link. This connection unlocks features like shared inboxes, the ability to run ads across both platforms, and access to combined insights within Meta Business Suite. Let's get to the third phase, which is integrating WhatsApp for direct communication. Adding WhatsApp further streamlines customer communication by allowing a direct chat button on your social profiles. To integrate, you must have the WhatsApp business app installed and set up with your business phone number. Once ready, you can perform the link from either the WhatsApp business app or your Instagram settings. From your Instagram profile, go to Edit Profile, select Contact Options, and then choose WhatsApp business phone number. Enter your WhatsApp business number, and a confirmation code will be sent to the WhatsApp app on that number. Enter the code in Instagram to verify and complete the connection. This will place a WhatsApp button on your Instagram profile, and because your Instagram is linked to your Facebook page, you can also enable a WhatsApp button on your Facebook page. Now let's get to troubleshooting common connection issues. If you encounter an error during the linking process, there are a few common resolutions. The most frequent issues stem from permission conflicts. Ensure you are logged into the correct Facebook account with full control access to the page, and that your Instagram is a professional account. If the link is not taking, try disconnecting and reconnecting through the Facebook page settings in the browser. Just go to your Facebook page, just navigate to settings and select linked accounts or Instagram in the classic page experience, and disconnect the existing account before attempting a fresh connection from the Instagram app again. Always ensure both the Facebook and Instagram apps are updated to their latest versions on this mobile device in your App Store or Google Play Store. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.